Holy mackerel, look who's in the house. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to the channel. So today we have something exclusive to unbox in this video guys. This is something exclusive from Asus. It's their all new Tough Gaming GT501 White Edition Stormtrooper case and I was like pretty excited to get my hands on it. Thing is, Christmas is coming, right? So I've got like lots of fresh ideas in mind and I was planning some exclusive content for you people and this was like necessary for that plan. So today in this video we'll quickly unbox and I'll give you like a first look at this brand new case from the brand. Let's get started. Alright guys, here's the new case from Asus which I was talking about, and damn, this thing is definitely heavy and comes in this sort of box packaging. See, the GT501 is nothing new, we've already seen this like last year, but the color is definitely new guys. This is the all new Stormtrooper White Edition case and comes in a very similar packaging. There is nothing on the box, just the Asus and Tough Gaming branding. So without wasting any time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Let me just tear this seal on the package, take the contents out and show you what's inside. So as soon as you do that guys, we've got some accessories at the top. But first, let me just take the case out of the package. There you go. The case definitely weighs around like 10.5 kgs guys, pretty heavy because there's a lot of metal on it. And oh boy, look at that beauty. A black and white classic from Asus, and as I've told you just now, there's an accessory packet over here which includes a dust filter for the top panel, and along with that you get some paperwork as well. Just make sure to read that whenever you get time. So now let me just remove the case out of the packaging and show you. Holy smokes, just get a look at that case guys. Stormtrooper White Edition GT501. Oh my god, very beautiful. What I'll do is I'll give you a closer look at the case and then we'll talk about the design, build quality and all of its features. The case looks absolutely gorgeous, right? So before we actually get started and talk about the design and the build quality, I was actually a bit curious, and thing is right now I'm in like complete holiday mood guys, and I want to do like all fun videos till New Year. So I wanted to get to know my audience a bit better and I wanted to ask things like, what are you guys doing currently? Like, are you studying? Are you a student in a college or do you have a job? Let me know in the comment section guys. I would love to read your replies. And by the way, what sort of content do you want me to do in the coming week guys? Especially for Christmas and New Year, let's do something different guys. And the same reason I bought this case, actually I have lots of fresh ideas in the mind, and I can't wait to put them into action. Anyways, keeping that aside, let's just come back to the main video. Talking about the design, well, the GT501 from Asus was already like a pretty good looking case, and with the introduction of this new white color, it looks totally badass guys. I mean, just look at that. It's got this complete military stealth like finish and looks awesome in this new black and white finish. If you ask about the build quality of the case is top notch guys. The entire body is mostly made of like steel and metal with a little bit of plastics here and there. See, most of the white painted stuff that you're seeing on the case, they're completely made of metal, and you see these small black areas over here like the front panel, top panel connector, those are made of plastic. So very nice build quality. And if you ask about the whole dimensions now, it's a pretty massive case guys, a mid-tower case from Asus, and can accommodate a lot of stuff on the inside. You've got a tempered glass panel on the side, and going inside, if you ask about the compatibility, this case can accommodate all sorts of motherboards guys, from mini ITX to eATX form factor. And talking about the radiator support, well, it can support 360mm radiator on the front panel, top panel as well, and at the back it can support up to like a 120mm radiator. Now, if you ask about the built-in fans, the case comes with like 3 RGB fans built in on the front panel, and there's one non-RGB 140mm fan as well to the rear. And wait a second, I forgot to mention that the case also comes with these cotton woven handles at the top side, using which you can easily carry this case from one place to other. So very convenient and super handy. And coming back to the inside, as I've told you, it's like a massive case and it's like super spacious on the inside guys. Can accommodate lots of storage devices, like it can take almost like 4 hard disk drives, at the same time 7 SSDs as well. And on top of that, it also supports like vertical GPU mounting. That option is also there. So that is pretty much it guys, our complete overview on the design and the build quality and all the features of this case. So let me tell you about the main idea behind the case, guys. Like, why did I get it? See, thing is, I'm planning to do some modded PC cases, guys. And this is something different, and I haven't tried it out anytime before. And whenever you want to do these sort of mods or maybe like spray painting, white cases are your best option, guys. That is what you should highly prefer. And that was the main reason, like, I went with this case. So thing is, as I've told you at the beginning of this video, guys, I'm planning some exclusive and amazing content for you people in the coming days. And along with that, now just let me know like what sort of content do you want me to make on the channel, and I'll definitely try to prioritize that. So that is pretty much it, guys. This is what I wanted to share with you all in this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.